Have you ever thought about getting a commercial driver's license? Also known as a CDL, this certification allows you to take the wheel of large commercial vehicles, opening up a world of opportunities. Think big rigs, buses, and even large cargo trucks. With a CDL in your pocket, you could be on the fast track to starting your own courier transportation business. But like any major decision, there are pros and cons to consider. Now let's dive into the pros and cons of getting a CDL. First, let's focus on the bright side, the advantages that come with obtaining a commercial driver's license. One of the most enticing benefits is the potential for a higher income. With a CDL in your pocket, you open doors to job opportunities that can significantly boost your earnings. Moreover, the demand for commercial drivers is growing, leading to increased job opportunities across the country. Now, let's talk about entrepreneurship. If you have ever dreamt of owning a courier transportation business, a CDL is your ticket to making that dream a reality. It's the key to operating large vehicles and setting up a successful courier business, putting you in the driver's seat, literally and figuratively. Beyond the monetary and entrepreneurial benefits, there's a sense of freedom and adventure that comes with driving large vehicles. Imagine the open road, the different places, and the people you'll meet. It's a lifestyle that's hard to beat. These are some of the key benefits of getting a CDL, but like everything else in life, there's another side to this coin. Now, let's delve into the less appealing aspects, the drawbacks of obtaining a commercial driver's license. Firstly, the rigorous testing and training process. It's not a walk in the park, folks. It requires serious commitment and dedication. You'll need to master a whole new skill set, and let's not forget the written and practical exams. Then, there's the responsibility of handling large vehicles. Imagine controlling a massive 18-wheeler on a busy highway. It's a whole different ballgame compared to driving your everyday car. Long hours on the road can also take a toll on your health, leading to potential risks like fatigue, back problems, and even obesity due to lack of physical activity. Finally, there's the matter of increased liability and insurance costs. Driving a big rig comes with big responsibilities, and unfortunately, big insurance premiums too. These are some of the challenges you might face when getting a CDL. It's essential to weigh these against the benefits before making a decision. So, is getting a commercial driver's license right for you? We've explored quite a journey today, diving into the pros and cons of obtaining a CDL. As we've seen, there are certainly compelling advantages to it. From the potential for higher earnings and more job opportunities, to the thrill of the open road and the camaraderie among drivers, these are aspects that can make a world of difference in your career. However, hold your horses before you rush in. We've also discovered that getting a CDL has its own set of challenges. The rigorous training and testing, the long, often unpredictable hours, and the responsibility of handling large vehicles aren't for the faint-hearted. And let's not forget the impact it can have on your personal life and relationships. It's a significant decision, one that requires careful thought and consideration. It's about weighing the benefits against the drawbacks and figuring out if it aligns with your career aspirations and lifestyle. It's about asking yourself if you're ready to take on the risks and if you're prepared to embrace the rewards. There's no one-size-fits-all answer here. You need to evaluate your own situation, your goals, and your risk tolerance to determine if a CDL is the right path for you. Remember, the right decision depends on your individual circumstances and goals. Take your time, do your research, and make the choice that's best for you. Thank you for watching and drive safely.